What is a lunar month? This is a question that many people ask, and it is a good one. The answer is not as simple as you might think. In fact, there are actually 3 different types of lunar months: the sidereal month, the synodic month, and the draconic month. In this video, we will be discussing the sidereal month. This is the amount of time it takes for the moon to complete one orbit around the Earth, as measured relative to the stars. The sidereal month is 27.3 days long. The synodic month is the amount of time it takes for the moon to go from one new moon to the next new moon. The synodic month is 29.5 days long. The draconic month is the amount of time it takes for the moon to go from one ascending node to the next ascending node. The ascending node is the point where the moon's orbit crosses the ecliptic plane from south to north. The draconic month is 27.2 days long. So, which of these 3 months is the true lunar month? The answer is that it depends on what you are using the lunar month for. If you are tracking the moon's phases, then you will want to use the synodic month. If you are trying to calculate the moon's position in the sky, then you will want to use the sidereal month. Additional information. The moon's orbit is not perfectly circular. It is slightly elliptical. This means that the moon's distance from the Earth varies slightly throughout its orbit. The moon's orbit is also tilted to the Earth's equator by about 5 degrees. This means that the moon's path across the sky is not the same as the path of the sun. The moon's orbit is affected by the gravitational pull of the sun, the Earth, and the other planets in our solar system. This is why the length of the lunar month varies slightly from month to month. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.